In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix a Samsung TV when the language changes automatically. First, go to Settings, General, System Manager, Language, and select your preferred language. Next, check for software updates under Settings, Support, Software Updates, since outdated firmware can sometimes reset language settings. If your TV is connected to the internet, disable auto update under Settings, Support, and then Auto Update to prevent the language from changing during updates. Then, restart your TV after making these changes to ensure the new language is applied. And that's how you quickly fix Samsung TV language change automatically.